Each one of us sentient beings is blessed with an innate capacity to learn. How each of us learns best differs. But what about those who face challenges in learning simply because their brains are wired differently?
मेरे बच्चे की कंप्लीट थी और कंप्लीट एक नहीं थी 10 थी और मुझे वहाँ से कॉपरेशन नहीं मिला और वहाँ से मुझे बताया गया कि आप आपके बच्चे को यहाँ से निकाल के कहीं और एडमिशन दें और मुझे प्रेशर दिया गया कि अगर आप नहीं करोगे हम आपके बच्चे को बाहर ही खड़ा रखेंगे अंदर में पढ़ाएंगे नहीं.
My child, I knew that she was facing problems in school since she had learning disabilities. But since we had no other option, I continued in the same school for 8 years, and I found that her personality has totally changed over a period of time. She had become very introvert, very reserved. She would not participate in any of the school functions.
My daughter, before coming to Atman Academy, was studying in one of the best schools. She studied over there for around 8 years. But in 8 years, she lost. She had studied. Of course, I agree to she must have studied, but academically, personally, no, she was not very good over there.
About 10 to 15% of the school-going population in India is diagnosed with a specific learning disability, which is an umbrella term for a broad spectrum of learning-related challenges.
Children with learning disabilities face issues with reading, writing, construction of spellings, construction of sentences, numbers. They also have difficulty following multiple instructions at one time. They have difficulty with organizing their work and also studying facial expressions and emotions.
This often leads to difficulty with learning new information and skills and putting them to use. It's not hard to conclude that traditional learning techniques seldom bring out the best in such children. Learning disabilities can be extremely frustrating for children. Imagine having trouble with a skill that all of your friends are tackling with ease, worrying about embarrassing yourself in front of the class, or struggling to express yourself. Learning disabilities and their accompanying academic challenges can lead to low self-esteem, isolation, and behavioral issues. Teachers who are not trained or sensitized to dealing with such kids automatically perceive them as indifferent as compared with their peers in class.
उसने अपने फेस पे से स्माइल मेरी डॉटर ने खो दी थी. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैंने अपनी बेटी को ही खो दिया है.
In a typical Indian classroom with 40 or more children, students with learning disabilities fall outside the teacher's radar and hence do not get the requisite customized learning that they deserve. The Atman Academy was established in 2010 under the aegis of Atman Educational Society in the Thane district of Maharashtra state. Atman Academy stands out as a unique, customized learning school for students with learning disabilities. Atman Academy is a non-profit organization that caters to the special needs of children across all demographics, including underprivileged and institutionalized children with learning disabilities.
Skill-based approach is used till the 8th standard, where we allow our children and give them the freedom to learn as they like. In the 9th and the 10th, we do use the formal approach, but of course, the multisensory approach is not forgotten.
Atman Academy seamlessly integrates remediation and counseling into the teaching and learning routine. This obviates the need for parents to seek remedial inputs from external educators. Atman Academy not only teaches children with learning disabilities the way they would like to learn, they also equip them with lifelong learning skills that help them make their own learning easy, uncomplicated, and fun.
Inclusive education is practiced in schools all over. What is different in our school is the integration that we practice here. The curriculum is designed based on the way the students learn. What we say is, if the students can't learn the way we are teaching them, we teach them the way they can learn.
Simple as this may sound, this is the most challenging feature of this project. Fortunately, the Atman team is more than ready to meet this challenge with a passionate, experienced, and creative team of learning facilitators and special educators.
We at Atman have various motivational programs for our children. Out of that, there is a program known as ACES, which is the Atman Conduct Excellence Scheme, in which we observe the children based on their behavior during assembly, their participation during class transactions, as well as their completion of home assignments on time, and points are given accordingly. Here at Atman, we have tremendous patience in order to solve the children's difficulties, and our quality policy is that we never give up on the children.
The learning facilitators at Atman Academy are truly specialists. Whether it's a science class, a math class, or a history class, these LFs, as they are called, have a thorough understanding of and sensitivity to students who learn differently. Unlike many mainstream setups, at Atman, compassion and flexibility is not limited only to the classroom. Adults who are in contact with students throughout the day share this expertise and specialization. Each child learns differently. Thus, there is no stigma attached to a small group or one-on-one specialized instruction. Every child is taught in a way that targets their own specific needs and thus empowers students to realize their potential. Once in a true peer group, students quickly feel comfortable taking risks and participating in areas that they might not have before. As strengths are developed and weaknesses are remediated, their self-esteem and confidence skyrockets. Challenging concepts in math and science are taught using multisensory approaches, manipulative tools, and multimedia. In short, anything that engages all the senses and the multiple intelligences in each child is part of the class transaction, so that students are actively involved in the learning process. Visual and performing arts, indoor and outdoor sports, yoga and meditation are a very important part of the school's routine practices. Atman is the only school of its kind, not just in Thane, but in the entire state of Maharashtra. Since it first began in 2010 with 3 students, Atman Academy has come a long way, with 53 students now enrolled in various grades and 21 having passed out of the school over a period of 3 years through the state board exams. Atman's core philosophy of being fun, friendly, focused, first-hand, and full of freedom forms the basis of the Panchatman. Panchatman is the backbone of everything that Atman does. This bears special relevance this year, the 5th year since inception.
पहिल्या दिवसापासून आमच्या मुलामध्ये एवढा फरक जाणवतोय की आता त्याला खूप काय काय करायचं आहे, कशामध्ये करिअर करायचं आहे, तो त्याने ठरवलं आहे. माझं फ्युचर खूप चांगलं घडवायचं आहे असं त्याचा टीचर त्याला सारखं एनकरेज करत असतात. त्याच्यामुळे त्याच्यामध्ये खूपच प्रोग्रेस आला आहे.
मी भांडी करून माझ्या मुलाला या ठाण्याच्या शाळेत आणून सोडते आणि या शाळेत आणल्यानंतर माझ्या मुलामध्ये विकास झाल्याचा मला खूप आनंद आणि अभिमान पण वाटतोय.
उस स्कूल के मुकाबले इस स्कूल के इसमें फ़र्क ये है कि वहाँ पे 100 बच्चों के हिसाब से पढ़ाया जाता है और यहाँ पे मिनिमम हर बच्चे पे तवज्जो दी जाती है और इंटरेस्ट दिखाया जाता है कि इस बच्चे को हमको पढ़ाना है, इसको आगे बढ़ाना है.
Social and emotional skills are the most consistent indicators of success for all children, and that includes kids with learning challenges.
At Atman Academy, we believe our students are not just differently abled, they are very specially abled, out-of-box thinkers. And this ability, this special ability that they possess, is going to take our nation towards growth and development in the most unimaginable ways. We hope Atman can take pride in this contribution made by these young citizens in a couple of years from now. For after all, what is the one thing that we make them believe in? and that is they feel good about the fact that they are successful not in spite of their challenges but because of their challenges.
Atman Academy, celebrating differences.
As a parent, I would advise all the other parents to please accept your child as they are, with whatever weakness they have, any kind of problems they have, and not bother about the social stigma it carries, and make the child more comfortable by taking necessary actions as I have done.
आत्मन स्कूल म्हणजे मुलांचा सर्वांगीण विकास करणारी स्कूल.
आत्मन स्कूल म्हणजे आतल्या मनं ओळखून, मुलांची मनं ओळखून त्यांचा विकास घडवून आणते ती स्कूल.
एज ए पेरेंट्स, जो मेरी बेटी के लिए हम नहीं कर पाए वो आत्मन एकेडमी ने करके दिया है.
पहले तो मुझे उम्मीद ही नहीं थी कि मेरा बच्चा कुछ कर पाएगा. अब मुझे ये उम्मीद है कि मेरा बच्चा क्या बनेगा ये पता नहीं, मगर कुछ बन के निकलेगा ये पता है. ऐसा मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस है फुल.